Welcome back to Poetics of Success. In today's episode, we're exploring the transformative power of daily journaling, a practice that holds the key to achieving your goals and unlocking your true potential. Daily journaling is the practice of writing down your thoughts, feelings, and experiences on a regular basis, typically every day or at a set frequency. It's a personal habit where you use a journal, diary, or digital note-taking platform to record your daily activities, goals, reflections, and more. We'll explore 4 key takeaways from daily journaling that can make a profound impact on your life. 1. Clarity and self-reflection. 2. Accountability. 3. Positive reinforcement. 4. Goal setting and planning. If you've ever wondered how to stay on track with your ambitions, gain a better understanding of yourself, and keep your motivation levels soaring, you're in the right place. Daily journaling is not just a habit, it's a life-changing tool that can help you reach new heights of success. Join us as we unravel the secrets behind these 4 pillars of daily journaling. By the end of this episode, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and inspiration to start your own journaling journey and unlock the doors to a more successful, motivated, and fulfilled you. Before diving into magical power journal keeping, subscribe for more life-changing content on productivity, motivation, and success. Daily journaling can be a powerful tool for motivation and personal growth. Here are 4 pros of daily journaling for motivation. Journaling allows you to express your thoughts and feelings, helping you gain clarity about your goals and priorities. When you see your thoughts on paper, you can better understand your motivations and what drives you. This self-reflection can be motivating because it helps you identify what truly matters to you. Daily journaling is like writing in a special diary where you can put your thoughts and feelings on paper. It helps you figure out how you're feeling and why you're feeling that way. It's like having a secret conversation with yourself. When you write in your journal every day, you might start noticing that some things happen over and over again. Like, you might realize you get grumpy when you're hungry, or that you always feel happy after playing with your friends. This helps you understand yourself better. Your journal can be like a map that helps you find what's most important to you. When you write down your dreams and what makes you happy, it's easier to see what matters the most in your life. If you're facing a problem or a tough decision, your journal can be a superhero tool. By writing about it and thinking of different ways to solve it, you can become a problem-solving pro. It's like being a detective figuring out the best solution. Besides writing about challenges, you can also celebrate your victories in your journal. Did you score a goal in soccer, make a new friend, or finish a cool project? Write it down. It's like giving yourself a high five and feeling proud of what you've done. Many people use their journals to write down things they're thankful for every day. It's like making a list of all the good stuff in your life. This helps you see how awesome your life is and keeps you feeling positive. When you journal regularly, you can see how much you've grown and changed over time. It's like looking at photos from when you were little and seeing how much taller you've become. It's exciting to track your journey and set new goals. Daily journaling is like having a secret tool that helps you understand yourself better, solve problems, and celebrate your successes. It's a cool way to express your thoughts and feelings, and it can be a great friend as you grow up. Writing in a journal on a daily basis creates a sense of accountability. You set intentions, track your progress, and can hold yourself responsible for taking action. The act of writing down your goals and reviewing them regularly can help you stay committed and motivated to achieve them. Your journal is like your secret goal-setting place. You can write down things you want to do, like getting better at a video game, making new friends, or acing a school project. It's like making a treasure map of your dreams. After you pick your goals, your journal helps you make a plan. It's like making a to-do list. You write down the steps you need to take to reach your goals. This way, you know what you're aiming for. Every time you do something that moves you closer to your goals, you get to put a check mark next to it in your journal. It's like earning points in a game. Those check marks show you're making progress. At the end of the day or week, you can look back at your journal. If there's something you planned but didn't do, it's okay. You can think about why and how you can do better next time. It's like a superhero learning from their adventures. Your journal is your secret buddy, so you can tell it anything. If you made a promise to yourself but didn't keep it, you can write about it. This helps you remember to stick to your plans. Sometimes things can get tough, and you might feel like giving up. Your journal can be your cheerleader. You can write about how you feel, and it can help you feel excited to keep going, just like your favorite characters in a story. If you want, you can talk to your family or friends about your goals and plans. They can be your cheering squad and remind you about what you want to achieve. So, daily journaling is like having a secret power to help you reach your goals. It's like making a game plan, earning points, and having a fun adventure every day. Your journal is your sidekick on your amazing journey. Journaling provides a space to record your achievements and successes, no matter how small they may be. Celebrating your wins, no matter how minor, can boost your self-esteem and motivation. It also serves as a reminder of how far you've come, which can be highly motivating during challenging times. Think of your journal like a sticker book. Every time you do something awesome, like helping your friend or doing well in school, you can put a happy check mark in your journal. It's like a sticker for being great. Your journal is like a storybook, and you're the hero. You write down your adventures, like when you learned to ride a bike or drew a cool picture. Reading it feels like reading a book about how cool you are in your journal. You can make a list of fun challenges, like reading a new book or learning a new game. When you finish them, it's like winning a game level, and you get to write about your victory. Your journal is like having your very own fan club. When you're feeling down, you can read about all the amazing things you've done. It's like your fan club cheering you on, saying, "You're awesome." If you want, you can share your journal with your family or friends. It's like having a party to celebrate all the cool things you've accomplished. Writing down the good stuff in your journal makes you feel happy inside. It's like a magical happiness spell that makes you smile. So, daily journaling is a way to remember how cool you are and keep yourself feeling happy and excited every day. Your journal is like a secret book of happiness. Daily journaling can be a practical tool for setting and planning your goals. By breaking down your larger goals into smaller, actionable steps and recording them in your journal, you create a roadmap for success. This process can keep you focused and motivated as you work toward achieving your objectives. Your journal is like a special place to write down your dreams and wishes. Whether it's getting better at a game, learning to play a musical instrument, or doing well in school, your journal helps you remember what you want to achieve. After you decide on your goals, your journal helps you make a map to reach them. You can write down the steps you need to take, just like making a treasure map to find hidden treasure. This makes reaching your goals feel like a fun adventure. Your journal is like a super helper. You can use it to make a to-do list for the day or week. This way, you know what you need to do to get closer to your goals, and you won't forget anything important. Drawing or doodling in your journal can help you visualize your goals. It's like making a picture of your dream. When you see your goal in your journal, it's easier to believe that you can make it happen. If you face challenges or things don't go as planned, you can use your journal to figure out solutions. It's like being a detective. You can write down the problem and come up with ideas on how to solve it. Your journal can also be like a time machine. You can look back and see how you felt, what you did, and what you learned. This helps you keep track of your progress and makes it easier to plan for the future. So, daily journaling is like having a magical map and a secret diary combined. It helps you set goals, plan your journey, and keeps you on track to make your dreams come true. Your journal is your trusty sidekick on your exciting adventure. Incorporating daily journaling into your routine can be a powerful way to stay motivated and track your personal growth and progress over time. It provides a structured means of self-assessment and helps you maintain your enthusiasm and commitment to your goals. Thanks for tuning in to this special episode of Poetics of Success, where we've explored the incredible world of daily journaling. As we've seen, it's not just a habit, it's a journey to self-discovery and success. Daily journaling is your personal compass, guiding you through the maze of life's challenges and opportunities. It's your storybook, where you're the hero, charting your progress and growth. By incorporating daily journaling into your daily routine, you're not just writing words, you're writing your future. It's a structured and powerful means of self-assessment, helping you navigate the path towards your dreams. It's your secret weapon to maintaining enthusiasm, staying accountable, and nurturing unwavering commitment to your goals. So pick up that pen, open that notebook, and start your daily journaling journey today. Your success story is waiting to be written, one entry at a time. Thanks for watching Poetics of Success, and remember, your success story begins with you.